Hey, what's up guys? In this video we will be talking about conditional statements in PHP. There are 4 conditional statements in PHP: if statement, if else statement, if else if statement, and last one is switch statement. We will be talking about first 3 statements in this video and the last one will be discussed in the next video. Now let me show you the practical working of if statement. Minimize it, open your code editor. I type here a variable is equal to 5, and now in the if statement I check that if a is equal to 5, then what do? Echo welcome. Press Ctrl S, save, and you have to open your XAMPP and start Apache and MySQL and close it and open your browser, and in the search bar you have to type localhost /cubic soul, which was the name of our folder. You can see that welcome is output. Now why it give us echo welcome? Because I assign the value 5 to this variable. It will check whether the value of a is equal to 5. If it is, the condition becomes true, then it will echo welcome. Now I will change the value of 5 to 4 and press Ctrl S, save, and refresh your browser. You can see that nothing is appeared. Why? Because it will check whether the value of a is equal to 5. No, value of a is 4 and another side is 5. So the condition become false and welcome did not appear. So this was the if statement, and next we will be talk about if else statement. Minimize it from here. Now after if we type else and again these brackets and echo not welcome, like not welcome. Now what happens? First of all, the value will be assigned to variable. It checks that this condition, if this condition becomes true, these statements available in these brackets will be executed, and if this condition becomes false, it will execute this statement. Now the value of a is 4, it means that this condition will be false, so our this else part will be executed. Let's see the practical working. Press Ctrl S, save, and refresh your browser. You can see that not welcome, which is this part, is executed. So this was if and else statement. If else statement, let me show you the definition of if else statement. If else statement checks one condition and execute one set of code, like here it is a one set of code, one line of code, and if the condition becomes false, it executes the else part of this statement. So now let me show you the practical working of if else if statement. I have a variable called marks and I assign the value 30. Now I type here if marks are less than or equal to 40, then echo you are failed. And in the else if part I will type that if marks are less than or equal to 100, then echo you are passed. And at the last, in the else part, I will echo invalid marks. Press Ctrl S, save, and refresh your browser. You can see that it shows that you are failed. Why it shows us failed? First of all, 30 marks will be assigned to variable marks, and after this the if statement checks the condition that if marks, if 30 is less than equal to 40, because the marks are 30 and these are less than 40, so this part will be executed and other 2 statements will be skipped. So now I will change the marks to 70. Press Ctrl S, save, and when you refresh the browser you can see that your passed is appeared. So what happens? It checks the first condition that if marks are less than 40, it shows us the echo message that you are failed, and because first condition is not true because it is false. Now it will check the if else condition. It checks that whether marks are less than 100, because this condition is becomes true, so it shows us passed. Now I will type here the marks 170. Now it will show us that invalid marks. Press Ctrl S and refresh. You can see that it shows us invalid marks. Now in this section it will check the first condition, because marks are not less than 40. It will skip this echo statement, and after this it will check the second else if condition, that if marks are less than or equal to 100, because our marks are 170, these are not less than and not equal to 100. It will be also skip that you are past echo statement, and at last, because these two conditions become false, and it will be executed the else part of our statement. So I hope that you will must understand these conditional statements in PHP. If you have any question, you can WhatsApp us, or you can ask us in the comment section, and like this video and share this video with your those friends who want to learn PHP from 0 to advanced level. And finally, thanks for watching.